I'm Lina. Добро пожаловать на канал. Welcome to the channel. Let's speak Russian together. Русский легко с Glow for you. Today I want to share with you how I study 3 languages. Number 1. Alphabet. The first thing what I do is learn the alphabet. Then I regularly come back to it to refresh my memory. Number 2. Syllabus. I write out syllabus. For example, in Korean, ka, ko, ku, ki. And I do the same on Hindi. Ka, ko, ku, ku. Number 3. Listening and watching and speaking. Everyone says about this, but it really works. Listening a lot, watch movie with subtitles, immerse yourself in the sound of the language. And what I do also, if I want to see movie, I will stop the video and repeat the actor's lines. Number 4. Study plan. You should have study plan. The key is having a plan. If you want to study every day, make a schedule. Even 15 minutes, 30 minutes is enough. Some days I spend 1 hour, for example, when I want to watch movie. And number 5, thinking in language. If you want to start thinking in your target language and you're also learning another language, another one, and study better if you study with native speakers who explain things in that language. For example, I'm learning Korean language, so I take lessons from Korean speakers who will explain on English. What about you? Share your language types in the comments. Bye bye.